Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you some cleaning, organizing and decluttering motivation because I am just about to go around and do a clean of my house, and it is a Saturday and I don't normally clean on a Saturday. So if you have watched my 1 hour cleaning maintenance routine, then you would know that Saturdays is certainly not a day that I clean. But basically what I've been doing each night is I have been doing my house sweep and putting everything back to where it belongs in their homes. And then I've also just been doing the dishes and the washing. So all of that is pretty much done. So the house is pretty well kind of put together, you could say. So yeah, basically all I really need to do today is just to, put the few things back from yesterday and this morning and just go around and clean everything. And I thought I'd actually do some decluttering while I was there and just share with you some of the organization systems that I do have in place. So I do hope you enjoy this video, and of course if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Down here, this is the bathroom. It is pretty bad. It just needs a really good clean. Look at all those fingerprints. You probably can't see it from there. Talia's room, there's only a few things to go back into its little homes. And this is my room here. I did just pull these out of the clothes basket. They're a wear again because I'm painting. But yeah, other than that, this is probably actually the worst room in the house. So now I'm just going to take you along with me as I declutter and I clean each room of the house. And yeah, obviously sharing with you some organizational systems that I have put in place in house. So first of all, I'm actually going to start off in the bathroom because you guys actually haven't seen this. I do want to do a full video on this when I finished the bathroom. So I haven't obviously finished it yet, so I can't put all the organization in place, but I can just show you a couple of things that I've done in here as I'm decluttering.
My heart condition nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before, but also weak and the knees falling to the floor. Afraid I'll lose myself deep in your eyes, and all at once I'm found and recognized. You caught me, honey, unbelievable. Now that you got me, it's unmistakable. Oh, the feels, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. The feels.
So now that most of the cleaning is done, I thought I would quickly share with you how I have organized the inside of my bathroom cabinet. And yeah, that's pretty much what works for me. I have had it organized way differently when I had a different bathroom vanity. If you want to learn more about how to organize things, then definitely go and check out my video on how to shop for organization products. And that's going to really in-depth share with you how to actually put those organization systems in place in your home. So this is the first cabinet. Yes, it looks really cluttered and unorganized. I'll show you behind it. So this is where I keep my toothbrushes and stuff like that, and my water flosser. I don't like having anything on the counters here. I just think it looks really dirty and messy. That is just a personal preference. So I don't have to get to this stuff every single day that's behind here. So this is just backups of things that I need to get to. So these are just backups. So this is all, it's so messy and cluttered. This is why I want to do a big declutter today. So this is just all the spare dental stuff I have. And then in the back here, I have my hair removal products. And then I've just got them labeled on the front. Yes, that doesn't match, I know. Down the bottom here, I have face washes and all things skin. So face washes going in the back. And then I have just got skincare stuff. In here, you've seen this drawer before. This is where I keep all the hair accessories. So I have some lice shampoo because I do work with children, that's rubbish. My hairbrush, hair comb, detangling sprays, ribbons, scrunchies. In the top one, this is where I keep my makeup, and this is my sort of occasional makeup stuff that I have. In here is stuff for nails, sanitary products and bathroom cleaning products. Then in the top here, this is just really what I need to go through. This is bad. So this is like some medical stuff and that. I do have first aid kits in our rooms, and I did buy one for the car, so I want to completely get rid of this medical area and just use it for other stuff. So I'm just starting off by pulling everything out and doing it that way.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat.
Okay, so I've just put this in a little divider here. It probably doesn't fit great, so I might get a bigger, taller one. Then I've got my retainer, dental floss, I've got a spare toothbrush in here, and then in the back here are all my chargers and my spare toothpaste, and then in the back here is all of my hair removal stuff, and that is that area all clean. And you can see how this fits perfectly in here. It's on rollers, and you can see, like, as I said, it perfectly fits. Like, there's a tiny little bit of room, but you know, if things are stacked pretty high, it's still allowing for that space. So I absolutely love this system, and I'm definitely going to keep this for years to come. So I'm just going to pop these back on the outside, and that's pretty much how it's looking. Okay, next part. I'm going to keep that. Talia uses that in the bath. I'm just going to pull these out. Now, these here do not get used. As I said, I don't really have much of a skincare regime, so that goes in the bin.
Me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of
And now I'm up to this one here.
that it was worth one more try.
So I'm actually thinking that I'm going to call this a backups box, because I have like a backup shampoo behind the camera light there, so that needs a home. And then obviously I've got the hairdryer and stuff, so I'm just going to keep that as like a backups. Okay, so there's not really anything that I need to declutter from here, but I just want to declutter some of this, so I started pulling it out. And this is how it's looking. Yes, the nail scissors and stuff, I think I am going to rehome them. I have an idea of what I did in my other cabinet, so I'm going to leave them there. When I do my bathroom organisation video, you'll see what I do with those. Period stuff at the back, in the middle, because I needed a smaller section for that, and I need a larger section for this one. So I've decluttered probably about 4 nail polishes from that. So yeah, that is what it's looking like. Okay, and these I've just decluttered. I've just looked at out-of-date makeup that I don't wear. So I've got one for myself, and this one is Talia's and special occasions makeup. So this is what we're looking like. I tidied up the windowsill. There's a few bits and pieces on there, but we do often have candlelit baths. Yes, me and my daughter do. This organisation system works for us. I know it doesn't look great, but it's got drainage holes in it. And when she has a bath, she is easily able to maintain it. She is 4 years old, so you got to do what works for you in your home. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's looking pretty good. This is it from far back. Floors have just been mopped. Hooray! That's one room down and more to go. So now for organising the bedroom, I had to come and make this bed and tidy it up a little bit before I went out, because I couldn't leave it like this. So anyway, I'm just going to quickly start to do a little bit more of a tidy up in here and to clean, and then we're going to start to organise this room, and obviously again share with you some of the organisation systems that I have in here. Okay, and this is what this room looks like when it's nice and clean. You've seen it before, but it's nice to see the befores and afters, isn't it? In videos, I like seeing it. Don't know, it's just me. Anyway, I'm up to decluttering in here. I brought over my garbage bag full of stuff that is going to be donated. I'm going to go through these drawers now and then again share with you some of the organisation systems that are or aren't working in here. Okay, so this is the organisation in here. I have one of these Scubs units from IKEA. I actually don't love it. Like, it fits in my drawer really well, but for the things that I want to actually put in here, it doesn't fit very well. So I will end up changing this back to one of those drawer dividers. I did have one of the Kmart plasticky ones, but it was a bit flimsy, so that's why I changed to this. But I think I'm just going to buy one of the nice bamboo ones. So I don't really need to declutter anything in this drawer. This is obviously the bra drawer, and I really don't use this. This is a back thing. I don't know. The physio said to me that it's absolutely no use because it's not really doing anything, so I'm going to declutter that. And I also have this, which is full of like bra straps and that. I don't remember the last time I've actually used it. So I'll get rid of those. And what is this? Fashion tape. I've never used this either. You can definitely go. This is how I've got this drawer organised. So this is a organiser that I had in the top white drawer, like I had another one of these. So yeah, I definitely want to get a bamboo one. And this is all my knitwear that I own, and I'm pretty happy with this. I pretty much wear everything that's in here. So okay, this drawer here has like sporting stuff and shorts and stuff like that. I used to do pole fitness, like dancing pole fitness, so I've got stuff in here from that, and I don't know if I'm going to go back to it. So this is what this drawer looks like after a little bit of a declutter. I did actually get rid of 7 items in here. You can't tell, but I did. Next drawer is towels. And the next drawer is towels. Okay, so in here I have my socks. I'm pretty good at throwing out anything that is stretched or anything like that. So I'm just going to keep this here. And I actually have this hair removal thing, which I'm actually going to remove out of here because it can go in the bathroom with all the other hair removal stuff. And this is the underwear drawer. I'm not going to show you too much because it's the underwear drawer. But anyway, I have it divided with 2 dividers. So one has for period knickers and the other one is just for everyday knickers. And top here I've got some junk jewellery. I ran out of tissues once, so I used this toilet paper, this novelty toilet paper that does not get used. So yeah, that needs to go out of here. So I couldn't have myself but to tidy this up a little bit. It definitely needs a vacuum at some stage to get this all looking nice. But these are the items that I am decluttering from this today. Okay guys, so now I am in my daughter's room. I have done the clean without you because this video will probably go on for way too long. And also you've seen me clean this room before. So if you want to see an in-depth clean with me video, which is all about cleaning this bedroom, then go and check it out. Okay, so this is her wardrobe area for those who haven't seen it. And you can see that neck sizes up are pretty bulky. So I am wanting to declutter this, and then I will be able to eventually move some of the neck sizes into these containers as well.
I've been out looking at places for some love, but everywhere I look, it points me back to you. Don't you say we got too crazy? A little mischief makes
This
fun.
is what she won't wear.
You told me I was your favorite book. Was it true? Those good old.
Okay, so on the bed I've just got items that I am selling, like this Target stuff. I've got Cotton On Kids and a few really cute little dresses, romper, sorry. So they're gonna go in the sell pile. And then some Target shorts. The Target stuff seems to like sell pretty well here because we're Target Australia, so it is a dearer like than Kmart. So yeah, I do tend to I'm going to try and sell all this as just like a bulk lot. I usually just sell like individual pieces and just up shop, but I decided I'm just going to sell a big bag and see how I go. And this is the stuff that is going to be donated along with this jacket as well. Alright, and this is everything that is being donated. I actually had another bag as well, which I offloaded to one of the girls at work. So it ended up being, what was it? 47 items in total that I actually donated. And then, yeah, the rest was just rubbish. So, yeah, pretty happy with the result. So I'm going to leave it at that because this is like going to go on forever if I show you the whole house. So guys, before we end this video today, I actually wanted to say something. You know, I think the big issue these days is with social media that people think our houses have to look like something that's come from Pinterest or something that has come from Instagram. And not all of us have the money for that, all the time for that. You know, I certainly don't have a brand new house and I don't have, you know, the money to be lashing out on all these expensive home organization gear and, you know, prettying up my home. But, you know, I do my best. And I think that is the thing that I really want you to take away from here. It doesn't really matter how it really looks, as long as you're happy with it, as long as it works for you, as long as that organization system works for you. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn those notification bells on so you don't miss another video. And I will catch up with you all next week for another video. See you then. Bye.